Hello, this is Mark Lopez with the Mark Lopez Law Firm. I want to talk today about initial hearings. Now, initial hearing is historically a very important event. You see, back in the day, we're talking about King of England days, across the pond, the king would call people into court and he would look at them and say, are you innocent or are you guilty? And people would look at him and say, oh, what am I being charged with? Who's saying what? What do you know? And the king would look at them and say, hey, I'm the one asking questions, and you have to answer, are you innocent or are you guilty? This was a very scary situation because depending on how you answered the king's question, you could go to jail the rest of your life, you could be put to death, you could have your lands taken from you, and even more scary, your children would have no right to take the lands that they would inherit. So you lose the right of inheritance. Big problems. So flash forward to today, and essentially the government has to read the charges out loud to you. So literally, the judge at your initial hearing will say, you've been charged with X, Y, and Z. Maximum penalty is A, B, and C, so on and so forth. In today's modern era, everybody knows what they're being charged with. Now, you may not understand exactly what you're being charged with, but there's not really a secret what you're being charged with. And if you don't understand or don't know, just give us a call, 317-632-3642. We will gladly walk you through everything you're being charged with. Today, judges expect individuals to waive their initial hearing for misdemeanor cases. That means the judges expect the attorneys to go over the information they would provide at the initial hearing. Because if judges had to go over an initial hearing for every single person charged with a crime, they'd be there all night. Now, with felonies, you can't waive initial hearings, you actually have to attend. So, but sometimes with felonies, judges set those on certain days if they have counsel, set them on other days if they don't, and even when you attend initial hearing on a felony, the judge is going to expect the attorney to go over X, Y, and Z with the client because, again, trying to save time. If judge had to do every single initial hearing for every single client in its entirety, again, be there till midnight. If you have any questions about initial hearings, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.